Guys, and welcome to Not David Zimaleta. Look at this, guys. It is snowing right now, and it's about like 9 p.m. currently. I decided to actually ship a package just like a couple minutes ago. I've been selling every single day on eBay, guys, and today I have sold something that was actually completely free, and I actually made like over 60 bucks on it, which was kind of nice. I offered free shipping. Speaking of free shipping, I do want to say a couple things, guys. Last time I actually made a video that was actually somewhat called like how to get like fast and free shipping, something like that. I have applied for fast and free shipping with eBay, and I wasn't really sure how it really works because I applied for my entire store. But after making a phone call to eBay, and I said, well, now what? I spoke to somebody that really didn't know what they were talking about, and I got put on hold a lot, which was kind of weird. Normally I get all my questions answered like right away. But then this person came back and she said that in order for me to qualify for fast and free shipping, for that little truck icon to appear fast and free next to my listing, I would have to have expedited shipping, which is actually not true. Today, I have noticed the item that I did sell today, which was actually a total of 6 items, but one person bought them all, and I had free shipping on there. So basically, when I went back and looked at my listing, it says fast and free, and I had that little truck over there. And the thing about it is, with fast and free, I guess eBay is kind of taking a gamble because, you know, they're already guaranteeing a package that I haven't even sent yet. It said guaranteed delivery by the 26th, and today is like the 20th, which is still, you know, gives me plenty of room to try to ship it out. But you could see where I'm going with this. So that's why I'm actually out here when it's kind of late. I was super busy today with listing more items to eBay and getting more stuff ready and organized. And this stuff sold around like 3 p.m. So I kind of figured, you know what, FedEx is not going to be picking up the package until tomorrow morning, probably like 8 o'clock in the morning. So I have pretty much till 10 o'clock, till Walgreens closes, because my FedEx drop-off location is in Walgreens. So I went ahead and actually took it down there. And my wife was like, hey, you sure? Like, you want to really go, like, get late at night and to try to go deliver? I'm like, yeah, I'm sure, because, man, it's reputation. Not only that it's reputation with the actual customers, but it's reputation with eBay. And one of the biggest problems is, guys, people just don't ship on time. You know, that's with free shipping or not free shipping. People just don't ship on time. Here's what I do, guys. As soon as the item sells, that very day, I get the item off the shelf, package everything up, print the shipping label, boom, done. And if it's already like after 12 or before, even a little bit before 12, I already know that in a FedEx pickup location, they pick up really early, so I'm going to be late for it anyways. So just want to make sure that by the end of 10 o'clock, I'll get all the packages in. Now, FedEx and UPS, they also can schedule a pickup. They could come to your house and they could pick up all your packages for you. I don't know what the minimum is, but I suppose if you have about 10 packages, they'll probably come and pick it up. So that's going to be something I will confirm in a future video, guys. But hey, this is it for now, and I will talk to you guys right now about some of the things that sold. Anyways, guys, did a little shopping, and now I'm back. I'm in my car, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what has sold this week. We're right now into Thursday, so just now today I sold 6 items. This was they're pretty much like a Wi-Fi modem that you could take with you from Verizon. I had like 6 of them, and I got them free. So I listed them for like $14.99 a piece. I got an offer for $7 a piece. I negotiated for 10. Offer came back at 9 a piece, but the guy was buying 6 of them. So I said, okay. And that was actually the free shipping, and that's actually when I noticed that it said fast and free. So I was actually very excited about that. I know I ended up paying for the shipping, but hey, you know, what can I say? By the way, the shipping was a little bit over $7 to ship FedEx. It was a little bit over $8 to ship United States Postal Service, which is kind of interesting. you would think FedEx charged more, right? Not the case. Last 3 packages I have shipped through FedEx. Very surprised, really, to be honest. I did not expect to be shipping FedEx this often. Yesterday, catalytic converters have sold. I sold 2 catalytic converters, totaling $100. That same day, I listed 2 more. Put it up this time in an auction. $100 for 2. Starting bid, starting price. We will see when they will sell. So far, no offers for that. Well, actually, no. I did have an offer. It's like $30. So I replied back to the guy like 99, because I'm really not thinking about selling it like any less than 100, really. And he came back with like oh, yeah, excuse me, I got this messed up. So he offered me first 50, then he offered me 30. It was a ridiculous thing. So when he offered me 30, I offered $1,000, you know, so I'm thinking, you want to play like that, that's fine. I could raise my price as well. But anyways, so that was another thing. And I also sold 2 Nissan Rogue headlights. So this week I just sold 1 of them, and previous week I sold another one. So this week's headlight was listed for $88 and about $15.99 shipping. I did give 30% off on it, so it came to like about like roughly $80 with shipping, you know, something like that. So I sold that, but I also purchased 2 more Nissan Rogue headlights. So basically what happened is I sold 2 used headlights, and for that price I picked up 2 new ones. So what a deal. So that's going to be coming in sometime tomorrow. I decided to fix my Nissan Rogue that my wife is driving. It stopped starting up basically, but I have all the parts for it, so I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna sell it. This year is going to be an interesting year. I will be selling cars, car parts, selling stuff on eBay, so everything to do with selling. I believe there's lots of money to be made with selling. So if you guys wanna follow me along on that, and you want to maybe take some tips or tricks, or maybe you're just a like-minded person, you're also selling stuff and you just want to be able to hear from other sellers what they're doing and stuff like that, and hey, feel free to follow my channel, subscribe, and hit a like on this video. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I try to get to every single question every single day, and I do reply to every single question, as long as it's not something stupid or weird, then I don't reply. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I do want to talk about shipping now. There's something else that I have noticed. Here's what I noticed when it comes to shipping. Okay, 2 listings that sold today with the 6 items, they were 2 separate listings. Each listing had a quantity of 3. These Verizon modems, 3 of them are of the same kind. They use batteries, and 3 of them of the same kind that use, you know, the regular power wall outlet. So that was that. And basically, here's what I've noticed, guys. When it came time for me to actually print the shipping label, eBay has combined the entire purchase that one person has made. So I was actually able to package everything up together in one and print the shipping label, you know, for this order in one deal, and then basically consider everything that was basically mailed. So that was the thing. What I did also notice is, for some reason, it did not automatically select the fact that I did ship them. Yes, I did print the label off, but in eBay, when I actually go back to, you know, when items are sold, it's still basically, you know, basically letting me know that I need to ship those items, and I have a choice of marking it shipped and add tracking number. But they already have my tracking since I already, you know, I purchased it using eBay. So that is that. And in case you guys are wondering, yes, shipping is much cheaper when you actually decide to print, use an eBay app to print off all your shipping labels. If you will sell an item for free, you're still able to print the shipping label off using eBay. And if you, let's say, will just take those same items and you take it to like you know, United States Postal Service or something, try to ship it from them, they would charge you maybe like 30% more on top of what you would have paid at eBay. So that is just not worth it. Next, I want to talk about shipping supplies. I know I spoke a lot about FedEx shipping, but FedEx is not going to be, an answer to every single problem, because some stuff is just cheaper with the United States Postal Service, like for first class type of mail. Um, of course, you would need United States Postal Service shipping supplies, and the good thing is you can go to United States Postal Service website like USPS.com, and you can create an account. You can create like a regular account or business account. I created a business account, and then you can go to their store. You'll just need to just go to the regular store, and you will see everything that they're selling. But you're also going to see that there's a lot of boxes free and shipping labels and all kinds of stuff that is free. So it will actually tell you how many quantities and that you can take and that kind of thing. So you can actually select anything you want, for free, and they're going to actually mail it to you. My shipping supplies hasn't come in yet, and one of the things I will tell you guys is when you're trying to get shipping supplies, order them ahead of time before you start shipping stuff on eBay, because it takes a long time for it to process. Because I actually ordered like a big order. I pretty much ordered like a maximum on every single box that they offer for free. So I don't even know how much I'm going to get, really. It's going to be a lot of boxes. But basically, I ordered all that stuff, and once it's going to come in, some of the stuff I'm just going to be shipping using FedEx. Now, guys, basically, that is one thing that you could do. But let's say you're going to be using FedEx to ship some stuff. You're going to need boxes. You could get those free at any kind of like Walmart or any kind of like place. When they do stocking, they get rid of a lot of boxes. You could also do some dumpster diving behind some stores once they get like new stuff in. You could get boxes that way. And one of ways you can also get like nice like packets and stuff, like bubble envelopes and like bubble mailers. You could get like poly bags and stuff like that. I just ordered those straight off Amazon, guys. I ordered my stuff there, and I found some really good deals. I saved the links to my stuff that I purchased, including tape and stuff like that, and shipping scales. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm going to provide those links at the bottom. If you feel free, just go check those things out, and if you need shipping supplies, you could actually get it. Another thing that I did buy that I haven't had a use for yet was a UPC scanner. I actually have a Bluetooth one, and you could also plug it into the computer. So that's going to be useful for posting books. You could just scan like ISDN's number or whatever they're called. You could scan them and scan the books in, and that will save you like a lot of times, because you could just scan and list. I have a bunch of books that I could list. Most likely I will post them on Amazon. I don't know yet. We will see. But keep an eye, I guess, on my channel, guys, for what I'm doing, because I'm doing a lot of different type of stuff, and I'm giving tips as they come, and as I learn. Because when you start doing something, a lot of times you don't know everything, but you know enough. And I think I am already providing enough information for somebody to get started. And I'm also learning. So as I learn and I notice stuff, I do share that stuff. Because, guys, just because you could call, let's say, like eBay customer service, does not mean that they can answer every single question for you. Like this last time I called, and they really wasn't sure like what I meant when it comes to fast and free shipping. And I keep repeating myself, guys. I must have repeated myself like 5 times to the lady in different ways, and she still didn't get it. So she just didn't know what was going on. But I'm like, guys, this is what you guys have. It's like a little logo. It's a badge, and it says fast and free. And those people that have fast and free, it pretty much makes customers feel safe when they're shopping, with that, type of eBay store, because they know that they're gonna get their items shipped on time. And that's really important, because that's like one of the most important things, guys, that people ruin their accounts and they get kicked out from eBay just because they're not shipping on time, and plus they're not listing items in a proper way, But today, guys, I'm going to be listing a lot of electronics. I was planning to list some t-shirts and stuff like that I have purchased, and probably going to get to it today, because I just got a lot of stuff to list, guys. Crazy amount. And yesterday I stayed up till 6 o'clock in the morning listing. I must have listed over 30 items last night. I have over $23,000 in items currently listed on eBay, and I have probably over 1,000 items already listed. So I'm going to continue listing and listing and listing. I'm listing like crazy, guys. I have so much stuff, it's not even funny. Like, it seems like I just got started and I already got like such a big total over there. So that makes me wonder, like, do I have $100,000 worth of stuff? Maybe even more. Who knows? That really goes to show like how much stuff we own we don't really even realize. That stuff is just like laying around. I have some expensive stuff that's just kind of like laying around. I bought it, I've used it a couple times, I'm not using it anymore. I'm like thinking, you know what, it could continue on sitting on the shelf, or I could make some money and buy something else with it, you know. So that's actually what I'm deciding to do. Guys, if you want to check out my store, I do have some items for sale at a good price, and you can negotiate with me if you don't like the price. So feel free to go to the link that's going to be in the description below to check out my store, guys. And if you see something you like, feel free to you know, send me, like, it's really easy, just send me like an offer for whatever you're trying to pay for it. I might come back with a counter offer, or I might just go ahead and take your offer, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprint or expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.